Hello, we are the Doig family. I'm Ben Doig, my wife Belinda Doig, my brother Matthew Doig, and this is Dr. Philip Lee.
What was your motivation to fundraise for Westmead Medical Research Foundation?
The motivation came first and foremost, the first time that Ben and I went to the ward and we needed a little bit of quiet time, and we sat on a busted out old couch that was obviously donated by a loving family who had the same issues that we did. So we got together and said, surely there's a way that we'd be able to buy a new couch for this wonderful unit, and that was what started our drive, I suppose.
What will be your message to encourage other potential donors to support Westmead Medical Research Foundation?
For us, the reason we got involved is because we saw it firsthand, and we saw the wonderful work that Dr. Lee and his team did, and we also experienced losing a loved one. Sometimes, when you go through that, that's how you get involved in these things, and sometimes your greatest pain can be an achievement at the end of it as well. So that's what it was for us, and I encourage anyone that is passionate about any of these causes to get involved, because it does nothing but great things.
What was involved in putting your fundraising golf days together?
A lot of rejection from people who say, no, look, no, really, it's not that bad. I think the hardest thing is working up the courage to ask a question. A lot of people out there are willing to donate, and it's very hard to actually go and ask. Luckily, I'm not afraid of asking for stuff, so, it wasn't that bad. But yeah, it's all about getting donations and things like that, and most of the community are very happy to donate. You've just got to ask the question.
So Dr. Lee, how did the funds raised by the amazing Doig family help the palliative care unit?
Well, as Matt said, the facilities for families are usually the last thing when people are talking about funding. It's usually clinical things that are bought. But just small things like a new couch, a new paint job, nice curtains improve the environment for families at such a really difficult time. So it's not just about looking after the patients, it's about caring for the families to help them through this difficult journey. And it was just immeasurable, the impact that what the Doig family did for the staff. And it actually leads to better patient care because the staff are just overwhelmed by that generosity, and it gives them really good feedback about the job they're doing, so that in the long run patient care actually improves from the high levels it's at already.
Beautiful.